you saw me getting ready. It's because I'm about to head out. I do have some errands to run, kind of. I was on a hunt for Christmas mugs, but I can't seem to make my decision in what I want. There are so many, and I don't know where I want to get it from. So I've been undecisive. Maybe today would be the day that I will get that. But also, I do have a friend coming over tomorrow to spend like the afternoon, so I kind of do want to like prep tea time snacks and just have teas or hot chocolate or something like that. And I do need to get some stuff from the grocery store. I'm thinking more of maybe like finger sandwiches, like tuna sandwich, and maybe I'll make cookies, but I haven't decided which one yet. And then just try to at least have two different type of teas that I think she might like, and then also have like hot chocolate and stuff like that, or maybe buy a juice. I don't know, but that's the plan. And also, while I'm on the road, I am just going to take my time, browse, and see other stuff that I might need. For example, when you have somebody coming over, they might use the bathroom, so I do have to kind of just spruce up the bathroom a little bit, but I want it to smell good. So if I do get something for that, I will buy that as well. I have been looking at like these fragrances that come in like the little bottle with like the sticks, and I wanted to get like a Christmassy type of scent, but I saw at Primark, I did smell them, and I don't know how I feel about it yet. So I'm gonna see if I find anything else, and then, well, if I don't get that, I'll just do something else. I do have candles, so I could obviously light a candle. Candles are awesome, so I just wanted to try something different this time around. And I may also look at skincare. I'm not sure, but I kind of want to prep certain stuff. Like, I'm going to be changing up my routine a little bit. There's like some changes going on in my life right now. It's not to me personally, but it is affecting me, and I'm so happy about it. And I'll tell you more when I can about it. So yeah, I did a lot of chatting, and then after, I do have to come home and kind of clean up. So like that, tomorrow all I have to do is prep the snacks, and I wouldn't have to clean tomorrow. So I'm gonna show you all of that. But without further ado, let's go out. Found these kitchen towels at Carrefour. They look really pretty. I don't know if I'm gonna buy anything though, but yeah, just browsing. Still super cute and affordable, to be honest. Found candles. This one smells divine, really really good. I like a sweet scent, and this one says Merry Christmas, but I'm not sure if I like the scent, so I was looking for something different than candle, but this one smells the bomb. In terms of mug, I see they have like this dual set, 2-in-1. That looks like this. That could be cute. But there's also this one. I like the pops of red because I think I'm going to do more red in the house this time around. Super simple and cute, and there's different designs as well. As you can see, this one, Santa is on a bike, and then there's these super tall ones that I find usually are like, too much. I don't drink as much in one go. So there's that. There's also some cute bowls for like cereal. Made it back home to prep for tomorrow. As I said, my friend is coming over and kind of do like a little snack tea thing. I make sure to get extra paper towels. Not paper towels, toilet paper, just in case. I also got two different types of chips. I think this one is like sour cream, and then the barbecue one that I could put out. I'm also planning on doing I think chocolate chip cookies. I think that's generally the one everybody likes, and it's, you know, simple go-to. So I'm thinking that would be good to get to have with like tea or hot chocolate or something. So I already had the ingredients for that at home, so I didn't buy nothing for that. And like I said, I was going to make sandwiches, so I did end up buying bread. I just don't I just don't have it here with me right now. In terms of tea, I did say that I wanted like different kinds of tea, and I do have tea there, but my tea is personally running low. And then I have like my boyfriend, he drinks other teas from me. I like fruity teas, and he likes like it could be like peppermint, not peppermint, mint, or like ginger type of tea. Anyways, I found this at Action. I think you have 24 teas inside of it, and these are all the flavors that you can get inside of your tea. I don't know if you can kind of see that, but it's lavender gray, apple cinnamon, lemon ginger, almond cherry, spicy apple orange, and then the chai black tea. I think the chai, I've already tasted it, and if not, I know that I can add milk with it and it would taste like the bomb. You could really do something with that. And then the apple cinnamon would just be great for the fact that it is still November and it's still fall. And yeah, I never tasted the lavender gray nor the lemon ginger or the others that I mentioned, but at least I have like variety. So one of these gonna have to do. And plus the box was like, it's so adorably cute. It's really festive. I like that it's green. So I know I don't drink tea every day, so I know that this is going to last over until like December. If I get any guests or something like that, I will still have to like offer in terms of a variety of tea. Then I did end up finding, this is what I was looking for, you know, the little bottle with the sticks. And I don't know exactly what it's called. I would like incense or something like that, but it's not to like smoke it or anything. I bought the lavender one for the bathroom because I think generally that's the scent that you would kind of find in a bathroom, or at least the fact that it's lavender, it's going to make you like calm and relaxing to do what you gotta do in there. So for everyday purposes, but yeah. I did end up getting another one, which was this white tea musk. Also this and this was by Action. This one is the white tea musk, and then it have like a little sticker up here that you could just like rub it and then smell it, and it smells really really good. And I did saw that they had like a ginger cookie one, but I didn't know how I feel about it. I actually don't know. Like, I like ginger cookie, but not all kinds. So it's kind of a funny feeling I have with it. I think I would have liked to find something like pine scent, so like that when I actually put up the Christmas tree, given that it's a fake Christmas tree, I would have had that scent all like around the living room and the kitchen area. But this has like a really sweet scent, and I really really like it. And the like rubbing for the scenting, I brought it up because it reminds me of back in the day. People used to go around selling like Avon stuff. Like, I don't know if you know that brand, but they used to have like a bunch of magazines, and then you could flip through and then just place your order and then you will get it. Maybe it still exists, but it's kind of different now with, you know, everybody having internet and just being able to order your stuff or whatever. So that's that. I also got for the bathroom because we didn't have any, and I know I kept saying that I want to buy, and like, why I'm annoyed, well, not annoyed, but I did say this in the past already. I kind of like, you know, it's kind of reaching to Christmas time, and I know like these type of products, they last us a while because it's just me and my boyfriend at home. I was kind of looking for like Christmas scents, because like then I know that it would be like for now until end of December or January. And so, but anyways, I got a hand soap wash, and it says Paris on it, but it's actually cherry blossom pleasant and effective liquid hand soap with a pleasant scent of cherry blossom, as in spring in Paris. Spring is long gone, but the price wasn't too bad. There's a lot inside of it, and it smells really good. It smells sweet. So I kind of like that as well. Then my boyfriend has been asking for a scrub for his face. Actually, this I got it at Normal, and this one also at Normal, which a long time I haven't seen this brand. But given that Normal is like a mainly cosmetic type of store type of thing, I think the fact that they change over products a lot. Now and again, I see products that are more like not European made, I would say. I'm not sure if this is European made, but like I know this from like being in the Caribbean, and we get a lot of like American products, so that's why I'm saying that. But anyway, this is the Scent Eyes Gentle Smoothing Scrub and Mask. It soothes away dryness and even skin texture. And because it's kind of fall and it's getting colder and colder, which means to say we're soon going to be in a winter. Obviously, the scrub is not something we're going to use every single day, but it's just the fact that it says soothes away the dryness, just in case on our face we start getting like dry or anything like that. We can, now and again use this scrub. Next thing that I got, this wasn't on my list. So everything that I got there, including the groceries that I said that I bought, those was mainly on the list. I did talk about the mugs also, which I did end up getting. So I got this one. It's supposed to be in a packaging in here, but it broke. But this is one mug, which is like a cute snowman. And I know this is not supposed to be like a getting ready for Christmas or getting in the Christmas spirit vlog, although I did say that I was going to do that. It's gonna come out maybe at the end of the week or something like that. Things changed, so I couldn't get it out this week, but the mug is really super cute, and it came with the thing for you to make your hot cocoa. But all I really wanted was the mug. So this is the first one, and then the second one is like this, which is how the other one was supposed to look. And this one is like the Santa Claus one, and I like the fact that it's red and white because that's the kind of theme I'm going to. That's not a theme. The color I'm gonna go for this year is mainly more red. Like, just really try to put the red in there. Years, if you've watched me, I actually tried to keep it like neutral, down low. Right now, I just want to be like bam. It's not gonna be bam, but I want to make it like bam. Anyways, so these are the two mugs I got by Normal. I bought myself another nail polish. White this time. I bought the red one off, but the white one, and I'm thinking that I can do a lot of little cute designs at home for my nails and all of that. That really, I don't know, it really excites me. And then the last thing I got, which last year I had the I can't remember which one it was, but it was like a fall-y scent for me. But this time I got the Christmas cookie bath and shower like cream gel. So I'm excited for this, for me to just shower with it and just smell like cookies, I guess. It's super sweet, and like the scent, I mean, it's sweet. It doesn't really smell like, I don't know what it smells like, because I want to think like chocolate chip cookies, but it just smells sweet. It smells nice. I don't think it smells like any Christmas cookie or anything like that. But I also like the packaging on the bottle, which obviously by doing that, it makes me want to buy it. But it smells good, and I like to also have like at least 2 different type of soaps in the bathroom, because I kind of like to change. If we have like 2 different type of soap, we have 2 different types of lotion, and generally it's always like one that is scented and one that is not really scented, like mild scented, because our skin are really sensitive, so sometimes it reacts, and we just like to have the like neutral type of scents, one for like a safety type of net. But I do like to make myself smell nice. But anyways, I did a lot of talking. I'm gonna do some cleaning hopefully in a bit. It's getting really dark outside, so hopefully with the lights and everything we'll get to do some of that. So yeah. this big zit that just doesn't want to go away. It's like super red, but it's fine. My friend is gonna be there in like a couple of minutes, and I didn't really do the cookies yet. I did the dough. It's in the fridge cooling, so I think we're just gonna enjoy some hot cookies because once she's there, I'm gonna just roll them up, put them in the oven, and then they'll be good to eat. And then I just set up the little table that we have right in front of the couch in case we want to watch TV, chat. It's just a more, I don't know, better area than like by the bar stool kitchen area that we have. So, yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.